These are the 5 p.m. observations for Wednesday, May 16th. At Siren, it was sunny. The temperature was 66 degrees, and the relative humidity 24%. The wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.0.
Well, that's the radio. I got the small antenna on right now because I don't use it on this lake. Got a couple quick draws, of course. Just hold rods. Storage. Storage in front, and of course, that's where wires go for the trolling motor. Storage again. That piece comes off right there. Although I put one of the seats up there quite often. Front end storage. Just a regular compass. I love that thing. And the depth finder. Maybe we'll go out in the lake. We'll go out in the lake. That'd be better. I'll show you the depth finder. Accessories. Oh, we do have a radio?
Chance on Friday before.
Just a regular radio.
Otherwise, becoming mostly
underneath here.
High in the low 80s. And partly cloudy on Friday night with a low around 60. In the 60s.
Navigation lights. Aerator. Of course, we got the a bilge pump. It's empty. There's no water in here. But I can turn on the I keep fish down in here. The other side I keep empty. It is also a fish, but I keep it for storage. I store stuff in there. It's just easier. Underneath is where all the batteries, down there, batteries and such. Oh, the sides, of course, have rod holders. These are rod holders, but I also use them for downriggers. Downriggers here. Lights back there. Side storage and side storage there. I think maybe we'll take off from the dock here and just go out for a quick ride. And maybe I'll make this into 2 or 3 films.